2024 Best Sport Motorcycle for Beginners Yamaha YZF R3. In the dynamic world of sport motorcycles, the 2024 Yamaha YZF R3 stands as a beacon of excellence, offering an unparalleled combination of performance and accessibility tailored for novice riders venturing into the exhilarating realm of sport bike enthusiasm. Recognized as one of the best sport motorcycles for beginners, the YZF R3 seamlessly fuses cutting-edge design, thrilling performance, and rider-friendly features, exemplifying Yamaha's commitment to crafting machines that strike an optimal balance between cost-effectiveness, approachability, and the sheer joy of sport bike riding. In 2024, the YZF R3 continues to capture the imagination of entry-level riders globally, standing as a symbol of accessible performance, confidence building, and the excitement of mastering the art of high-performance motorcycling. 1. Striking Supersport Design. The Yamaha YZF R3 boasts a striking supersport design that immediately captures attention with its aggressive lines, twin headlights, and aerodynamic fairings. The sport bike exudes a dynamic and modern presence on the road, showcasing Yamaha's commitment to cutting-edge design. The YZF R3's aesthetic appeal not only reflects its high-performance capabilities but also sets a standard for the thrilling experience that awaits riders. 2. Potent parallel twin engine for exhilarating performance. At the heart of the YZF R3 lies a potent 321 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, delivering an exhilarating blend of accessible power and high-revving excitement. Yamaha's engine design focuses on smooth power delivery and responsive performance, making it an ideal choice for novice riders looking to delve into the thrill of sport bike riding. The YZF R3's engine provides sufficient power for city cruising, spirited rides, and highway excursions, offering a versatile platform for riders to explore the dynamic world of high-performance motorcycling. 3. Nimble handling and sport-tuned suspension. Designed for nimble handling, the Yamaha YZF R3 features a lightweight chassis and sport-tuned suspension that contribute to its responsive and agile characteristics. The bike's balanced geometry and precise handling make it easy for beginners to confidently navigate through city traffic, master cornering techniques, and experience the thrill of sport bike dynamics. The YZF R3's nimble nature enhances its approachability, allowing riders to comfortably develop their skills and savor the excitement of dynamic rides. 4. Comfortable seating and rider-friendly ergonomics. Crafted for comfortable riding, the YZF R3 features a rider-friendly ergonomic setup. The sport bike offers a sporty yet accommodating seating position, mid-mounted foot controls, and an optimized riding posture, ensuring riders can enjoy extended journeys without discomfort. Yamaha's commitment to rider comfort makes the YZF R3 not only a high-performance option but also a practical and enjoyable companion for daily commuting and spirited rides. 5. Integration of advanced features. The 2024 YZF R3 seamlessly integrates advanced features to elevate the overall riding experience. A modern instrument cluster, advanced electronics, and Yamaha's engineering excellence add contemporary functionality without compromising the bike's accessibility. Yamaha ensures that the YZF R3 remains a technologically advanced choice, appealing to riders who appreciate the fusion of cutting-edge performance with essential safety features. Conclusion. The 2024 Yamaha YZF R3 stands as a global icon of entry-level sport bike excellence, securing its position as one of the best sport motorcycles for beginners. Its striking design, potent parallel twin engine, nimble handling, comfortable ergonomics, and integration of advanced features make it an unrivaled choice for novice riders venturing into the world of high-performance motorcycling. Whether mastering the basics, carving through challenging roads, or experiencing the thrill of high-speed riding, the YZF R3 encapsulates the spirit of Yamaha's dedication to crafting motorcycles that redefine the boundaries of accessible sport bike greatness. As a symbol of accessible performance, confidence building, and the joy of mastering the art of high-performance motorcycling, the 2024 Yamaha YZF R3 rightfully claims its place as a global legend in the realm of sport motorcycles for beginners.